Hello friends, welcome to Happy Trails Hiking. I'm Matt and today we're making a family favorite, chili. I first experienced this chili on a family trip to Washington, D.C. When I was in junior high school, we went and visited some friends and stayed with them, and our first evening in town they served us chili. It was literally the best chili I had ever had in my life. I asked for the recipe and learned that it was actually incredibly simple. And I started making it in those days, and I've kept that recipe with me all of these years. And recently we've modified it a little bit to make it even better. So stay tuned, we're going to give it all to you now.
The ingredients needed for this recipe are
So this chili recipe is essentially a standard recipe that you'll find on a standard mix of chili seasoning at your local grocery store. The modification that we have made is the addition of homemade chicken stock. It has to be homemade, and it looks like this. By adding the chicken stock, you add depth of flavor that you cannot get any other way.
it's done.